So I just remembered something, okay, and it's been actually just funny, all right? I don't know. There's a psychological spirit that comes when you start trading, right? It comes when you start trading, and there's just the spirit that tells you that this is the setup. This is the setup. Go all in. When you can't do them, what will can happen? Your eyes will what? Flare. It can go in your favor. What if it doesn't go in your favor? Is that how you're going to lose all your accounts? Please try to always obey risk management. Please and please obey risk management. Very, very important. Very, very important. In everything we do, we say what? Win or lose, Alhamdulillah. Peace.